Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to punch out a shape in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Already create a new document, then create a new layer, choose the shape tool, right click on your mouse. Example, use rectangle shape tool, shape, choose fill color, stroke color. Example, without stroke, press enter. Then draw a rectangle shape and find path operations, find subtract font shape, click here, then draw a shape, and now see this punch out of shape, or use perfectly, press Ctrl J for back, again create a new layer, again draw a shape, choose another color or use this color as you wish, then draw a shape like rounded circle as you wish. Then move tool, hold Ctrl, select down shape, align middle. Then hold Ctrl, click up shape, again down, create a layer mask. Then press Ctrl I. See this result. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.